So first of all, I want to give a quick shout out to Devin for calling this awesome setup on NZUSD. So basically, Devin spotted this beautiful sell on NZUSD, 15-minute time frame, good resistance level, TCA line is red, but MACD hasn't crossed over yet. Now, I'm actually in this trade here. As you can see here, I'm currently in this trade, 1.9 pips in the negative. That is because of the spread. Spreads on NZD pairs tend to be quite a lot. But yeah, this is our actual setup on my charts. And as you can see here, I don't normally trade the 15-minute time frame. I'm normally on the 5-minute or 1 hour. But I can't say no to a good setup like this. Clear area of resistance, as you can see here. You don't really need to zoom out. You can see, in fact, look, you can bring it all the way across here as well. Look at that. That is a really good area of resistance. MACD's gone overbought, and we've popped a Mogwai arrow as well with just that TCA line's turning red. So hopefully we should drop down now. I should get around 10 pips. But yeah, awesome signal, awesome kind of cool setup from Devin. I'm glad you actually said that, because this is a good little setup to start my trading week off. Now, yeah, the name of this video, believe it or not, a BD member has bought a yacht, as you can see here. BD profit strikes again, 30, I guess that means 30-foot yacht to spend some well-deserved weekend time. Can't wait to go fishing. So yeah, absolutely phenomenal. BD member has bought a yacht. I actually stumbled across this last night. I was having a one-on-one webinar of a BD member, and I was showing him some photos in the group, and then this just popped up, and I was like, wow. Yeah, and we were having a nice little kind of gossip on it. I was saying that we're going to host the next BD party on this yacht, as you can see here. You do realise we will have to have a BD party on this. Hell yes, we are actually going to buy a bigger one next year. Whereabouts in the US are you? He's from Canada, British Columbia. So yes, anyone from Canada, when we come over, hopefully, fingers crossed, next year, we are going to be having a BD party on this yacht. So yeah, pretty incredible. Tomorrow, it's absolutely phenomenal. I love it when I see BD members' results, something like this. Now, with every good result I share, I will also tell you the facts, right? This BD member has been with us for nearly 3 years. He joined us in 2019. Now this, and I mean, listen to what I'm saying here. This is exactly what discipline, patience, and dedication can do for you in trading, okay? He joined us in 2019. 2021, he's buying a yacht with the BD, okay? It took him nearly 3 years, but he's got there. And that is what I really want to drill into people, okay? A lot of people out there message me and they say, Jamie, I've been trading for 2 years now and I'm struggling. Let me ask you a question. Out of those 2 years you've been trading, how many strategies have you tried? How many indicators have you tried? You probably lost count at the amount of strategies you've tried. And that is the problem, okay? You need to sit there and master one strategy or one indicator. Let me give you an example here, right? Okay, well, minus 5 pips. I might actually start closing these off in a loss in a minute. Might be closing these off in a loss. Look at my results, right? So far in May, 91% win ratio. April, 100%. March, 85. February, 85. I don't get these results from nothing, okay? I've been trading the Binary Destroyer every day, every week, every month for the past 5 years, okay? When you trade the same thing over and over again, you just get better and better and better at it. And the Binary Destroyer trading strategies is no different. Eventually, you'll start to be able to pick all the good trades and be able to miss all the bad trades. And the only way you're going to do that is by just doing the same thing over and over again. If you constantly chop and change, you're not going to go anywhere. Okay, I will hand on heart tell you now, if I went and bought someone else's indicator, let's say I went and bought some random guy's indicator, I'll probably can't trade it, right? Now, it's not because I'm a bad trader, because I can trade. It's because I don't know how his indicator works. I haven't traded it properly. I haven't figured out what are the wins, what are the good setups, what are the bad setups. But if I carry on trading and I carry on repeating it over and over again, eventually I'll be able to go, ah, yeah, that's how you do it. Oh, I was just about to swear, but yeah, I'm currently, to be honest with you, this is good because I might actually be closing some trades in a loss on NZUSD. Okay, so I'm currently 8 pips, which I'm not particularly bothered about because my resistance area is just here. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly monitor now, and this is what I keep trying to explain, right? This comes down to experience. So we've gone very bullish now on NZUSD, but I'm not particularly that bothered, only because we're still below this resistance area at the top here. The MACD is still getting weaker, which is good. So I'm going to see what happens now with this candlestick, okay? Do we stay bullish? Do we start to reject from this level? Okay, so don't panic, and this is where a lot of people kind of would panic in a situation like this, okay? Trading's trading, right? Sometimes you're going to get it right, sometimes you're going to get it wrong. This is a situation where I might be getting it wrong. Let's see what happens, right? Let's monitor this currency pair now. So we're currently at a resistance area, and it looks like we're staying below this resistance area. This is interesting. What I'm going to start to do now is I'm going to go down to the 5-minute time frame and just have a look, okay? So we had our initial sell off that resistance area. So you can see here, MACD's gone overbought there. We've got a Mogwai signal at this resistance area, which is a beautiful sell off that resistance area. Obviously, you get your 5 pips out of that trade there. Now we've come back up. I'm not too worried now. I want to see what happens for the next 5 or 10 minutes. If we do go higher, I will be closing this trade off in a loss. So what I'll do is I'll leave this like this, and I will come back 5 or 10 minutes time, and hopefully I can maybe get a few pips out of this trade still. We'll see what happens. So I'll update you very soon on this trade. So, quick update on this trade. I've gone down to the 5-minute time frame now, and we've just popped a Mogwai signal. We've popped a second Mogwai signal at this resistance area here. I mean, what's that telling me? Okay, so we've got a Mogwai signal right again at this resistance level. Now, the 15-minute time frame still looks bullish, but it is doing what I want it to do, and that is reject off this resistance line. Now, this is that kind of point now where if we go higher than this resistance area, I'm closing the trade off in a loss. Gone. But we're actually rejecting off it. Okay, so it's good. Okay, not to worry. Oh, look, we're definitely going lower on this. So again, I'm sitting at around 10 pips with this trade. 10 pips in the negative. If it goes any higher than that, 11, 12, I'll be closing this off in a loss. Okay, but my take profit, just to be honest, where's my entry point on this? Okay, because I should be getting at least 10, I should get 10 pips out of this trade. But I'll see what happens, okay? I'll see what happens, because realistically, the target for this needs to be now the bottom of this zone just there. See that? So we're looking for 13 pips to the downside. We'll see what happens here. We're currently sitting around 9 pips. So yeah, again, what I'll do is I'll flick over to the 15-minute time frame, and I'll come back very soon when I get an update on this trade. Here we go. Okay, we are coming down again, which is good. Okay, we are good. So again, yeah, like I said, I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Honestly, I'm not joking here. I've managed to make a pie, come back up, go back downstairs, eat a pie. I've actually had my dinner. I've come back up. I've then gone to the shop, which is about 10 minutes from here, to pick up some new paperwork and print and some paper and stuff like that. I've come back from the shop. I've sat here. I've had probably a 10 or 15 minute conversation with my girlfriend, and still nothing has happened since I took that trade. I'm still 9 pips in drawdown. Now, what I've actually done is I've actually set a stop loss of 15 pips and I've now set a take profit of 15 pips, and I'm going to let it do its thing, probably come back tomorrow or something, and I can update you on this trade. Now, pretty much since I took this trade, price has just literally gone sideways. But I really still like this trade. I still like it. Look, we're still at this nice resistance area. If you look at the 1 hour, we're still rejecting from this level. We've got a bit of an uncertainty candle. Again, if you start to go down to the lower time frames, you can see price is slowing down there, which is good. Like I said, I still see bearish momentum happening. This is, hold on, my phone's going off. This is on the 15-minute time frame. Again, look, we've just literally closed below that TCA line on the 15-minute time frame, which is good. 5 minutes, look, we're going down. So yes, like I said, we are slowly going down. But I'm not sitting here all wait. I'm not sitting here all wait. I'm not sitting here all night waiting for this trade. So I've set a stop loss of 15 pips, take profit of 15 pips, and I'll hopefully update you tomorrow on that trade. My name is Jamie Palmer, and thank you for watching.